Today I'm going to share with you 3 ways to instantly add more profit to your PDR business, so stay tuned. Number 1 is the upsell. Are you currently upselling to your existing clients? So let's take the example that you've been called out to fix a dent on a door panel for one of your retail clients. Now, a lot of PDR techs will turn up, fix the dent, get paid and go off to the next job. And that's absolutely fine. But if you just take a couple of minutes and involve your customer, offer to walk around the vehicle with them before you start work, and assess if there is any other damage that you can fix whilst on site. You can offer to do a second or third dent at a significant discount because you are already on site and can pass the saving directly on to them. Now, most vehicles have around about 10 panels on, so it's a numbers game. If you do this across every vehicle for all of your customers, over time, chances are you're going to pick up a second or third dent. Now let's take the example that you're doing just 2 dents a day. That's 10 repairs a week. If you can upsell just one of those repairs for a £50 dent across the space of a year, you've just added £2,500 to your bottom line. Number 2 is to raise your prices. Now that might sound quite scary, but so often when we start off our PDR career, we have a set price that we start from. And quite often over a 5 or 10 year period, we may not think to increase that charge. But if we take that first example of just doing a couple of jobs a day, 10 jobs a week, if you can increase your repair price by just £5, over the period of a year, you've just added £2,500 to your bottom line. Example number 3 for how you can make more money in your PDR business is to fix more dents. Now, of course, that might sound obvious, so let me give you an example. If we go back to scenario number 1, where we're going out to fix a dent for a retail customer, chances are they've got neighbours either side of them. Most households these days have 1 or 2 cars, so every time you're going out to fix a dent for a retail customer, chances are you've got a potential 2 or 3 clients either side. Once you've finished a repair for your customer, take a few moments to knock the neighbour's door. Introduce yourself, offer to do a free, no obligation assessment of the vehicle whilst you are there on site. Now, 9 times out of 10, you'll probably hear a no. But for every 1 in 10 that says yes, if we're going on that first example of averaging 10 repairs a week, £100 a repair, you fit 1 more in a week, you've just added £5,000 more revenue to your PDR business for the year. So there you have it, 3 ways to instantly increase your profit and your revenue in your paintless dent repair business. Now, I love talking about business and strategy. It's one of the things I'm really passionate about, and we really focus on it in our online training program at Learn PDR Online. I really hope you found today's video valuable and useful. If you have, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. By all means, ask a question, leave a comment or some feedback in the comment section below this video. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next.